Okay, we're going back into poverty. People crawl up, they work hard, they get jobs. The one major reason why they fall back into middle class people, okay, we're talking real middle class people, they fall back into poverty, okay, primarily because of inadequate health insurance, right? How many people have health insurance from their employers? Yeah? Yes. So then do you have separate, do you need separate health insurance?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Why?
Once I retire.
So once I retire, will I have it? At that age, nobody might give me. If I change my job, the new employer may not have. More importantly, most employers have 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. Okay? If anybody has been unfortunate enough to have got admitted in a hospital or had a close relative, he will know how inadequate a 2 lakh or a 3 lakh policy is. Despite having health insurance from your employer, not having your own health insurance is irresponsible. And insurance is something that you do even if you have no money left for investment. Insurance first, investment later. You better prepare, you better have your term insurance first, so that if you die, your family can at least continue with the lifestyle that they are used to. Yes, there is absolutely nothing, and you can choose from which health insurance policy you will take that claim. It's your right under the regulations.
So sometimes they ask me questions on the form, like if you have.
So you better disclose all the health insurance that you have. Yes, so that is right. You better disclose.
What is the impact of that disclosure?
In health insurance, not much. Not unless you have some 5-10 crores of health insurance. Then they might. I mean, if you have the regular 10-15, 5 lakhs, 10-15, 20 lakhs, no questions. At their age, they obviously will be in hospital. Are you saying you're not going to pay if they don't have the money to pay the hospital bills? Forget your parents, your siblings, okay? Forget them. It takes a loan, they disappear. So you lose a good maid also, okay? Why not take health insurance for them? Anyway, that expenditure is going to come on your head. I mean, now increasingly we find that people are responsible for their in-laws as well. Okay? So, when you leave your job, even if your new employer doesn't have, as long you are allowed to shift it to an individual policy. You just, okay? So the least you can do is when you leave, before that, at least shift it to a new cover, to your own individual cover. Don't let that history go. You have created a history of no claims. That history will be with you. You can convert it, that's your right under the regulation. So is there a way to cover loss of income because of disability arising from illness? In most cases, okay? There are what are called critical illness covers. And this is hugely misunderstood term. It is even people who are selling it are also selling it as additional health insurance claim. कि ये 10 लाख तो आप ले लीजिए कि कैंसर हो जाएगा तो काम आएगा. Okay? The real reason for a critical illness is to be able to give you a lump sum that will help you generate income, not pay for the medical expenditure. For that you have Mediclaim. And that is why 10 lakhs of critical illness is close to useless for most people. Right? So you need, for somebody who's about, the price will range between 1,000 to. There is this surgeon who offers it, मैं free में कर देता हूँ. हाँ? करेंगे नहीं करेंगे? हाँ ना? नहीं. Third is the best in Pune. हाँ? नहीं करेंगे. डॉक्टर संचेती से भी नहीं करेंगे. फ्री में नहीं करेंगे. पैसा देंगे, फ्री में नहीं करेंगे. सेम डॉक्टर. हाँ? श्योर. क्यों? फ्री में क्यों नहीं करेंगे? क्यों नहीं करना पड़ेगा? ठीक है. क्यों? क्योंकि पैसा बनाए बिना कोई काम चैरिटेबल तो है नहीं. चैरिटेबल हॉस्पिटल में आप जाइए, करिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. करेक्ट? ये चीज हमको बीमारी में समझ में